Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Neeraja's Cooking and Crafts. Today I'll be showing you how to make banana bread. It's super simple, super easy, so let's get started. First off, I have 4 ripe bananas and we're going to be mashing them. Now that we finished mashing it, we can add in half a cup of oil. Let's give this a mix. So this is well mixed. Now into here, I'm going to be adding in 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's give this a mix again. Now into here, we're going to be sieving 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. So let's sieve that. Now we need to fold this, not mix it. So make sure you don't over mix it. So I finished mixing it, put that to the side, and here I'm making it in a bread pan. You can make it in a cake pan or whatever you want. But before that, make sure your oven's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we could transfer this into here. So before I pop this in the oven, I'm going to be sprinkling some kosher salt over it. Now, we're going to be putting this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. So I took it out of the oven. Mine took about 40 minutes to cook. So I let it cool down. Now we can cut it. So this is how it looks. It cooked really nicely. Now you can cut into it. So this is how it turned out. It's really good. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!